Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told at Lincoln High School, approximately 7% of juniors and 5% of seniors were inducted into the National Honor Society last year. And if there were 562 juniors and 602 seniors, enrolled last year, which of the following is closest to the total number of juniors and seniors who were inducted into the National Honor Society? So the total is going to be 7% of juniors plus 5% of seniors. So this is going to be equal to 7% is going to correlate with 7 out of 100, since a percent is representing this number out of 100. 7% of the juniors, how many juniors were there? There was 562. So we multiply 562 times 7/100ths. This is the fraction of 562 that made it into the National Honor Society. Do a similar thing here. 5% is 5 out of 100 of seniors, where there's 602. Now, this is not something you have to do by hand. Just plug this into your calculator, since this is in the calculator section. You'll get that this value is 69.44. Which of the following is the closest? Well, 69 is the closest. None of these are even close. So B, 69 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.